Today we officially open Aleva Studios by Kamdi, and I want you guys to follow me as we take a tour around the photo studio. If you're interested in visiting us to do your photo shoot, either for your birthday, pre-wedding, call to bar, or any kind of portrait photography that you're interested in, our studio is located at plot 160 at Demola Adetokunbo Crescent, Wuse 2. For the closest landmark, to my left here, we have BMT Garden, and after BMT Garden is the Switzerland Embassy, and directly opposite me is 21 Park, just to give you closest landmark on how to access us. Follow me as we tour the building. And if you start from outside, you can see that we have interesting facilities, we have interesting aesthetics here where we'll give you amazing photo shoots. Starting from outside, you can see some examples of pictures that I've taken. Let's walk inside. So you're welcome to our photo studio. Come on in. Beginning with the makeup studio, here's our in-house makeup artist, Miss Joy. Joy, come on, say hello.
Hello.
So she will take very good care of you if you are interested in making yourself up before a photo shoot. And for the selfie lovers, we have something here just for you to do your selfie and advertise Aleva Studios by Kamdi. Here is our waiting area, and in case you are a content creator or a photographer, we also have this space available for rent in case you want to rent and do your photo shoot. Here is our editing suite for our photo editors, and of course we can also do photo shoots here. For people that are looking out for an office kind of setting, we have an office setup here where you can do some pictures here as well. Come on in and show this space. And then we also have another backdrop here, background here, where you can also do pictures in case you want that kind of background as well. And here is our main photo studio. So we have several backgrounds available for you to do your photo shoot. Some setups here, we have seamless papers there. We have a lot of canvas backdrops that are available at your disposal. And our lighting, we have 3 Godox AD600 Pro here, which can also give you enough power in case you want to do some photo shoots just outside the studio and have like an outdoor kind of setting. For the content creators, videographers, here is our Aperture. This is Aperture 600D Pro. We also have the Godox LC500R, 3 of them there. And we have more lights inside with microphones available as well. For this year, inside here is a private jet setup, but I'm not going to open the space, at least for confidentiality and for our prospective clients, so that at least nobody knows that you took your pictures here. Because if you take your photo inside there, it's just a private jet setup that nobody will know that it was in the studio. So for people that want to move a step further, looking out for maybe like a royal theme, or you also want like a house setting family shoot, here is the next photo studio. You can take it to the next step, have your family shoot here, or if you are interested in having a meeting, we also rent the space here as well. And it's very affordable, by the way. So we are trying to give you every reason why you should come to Aleva Studios by Kamdi to do your photo shoots. Here's a kitchen, stroke bar. You have drinks over there at your disposal. And of course, you have a very beautiful sound system here. This a Bose sound system, 360 surround system. And I'm telling you, it's going to explode your sound experience whenever you play this with 65 inches plasma over there. And also, not to forget that as a bride or as a prospective bride, if you get to book us to cover your wedding, you can have this space as a complimentary gift for your wedding, for you to do your bridal shower, or you want to spend a night here before your wedding day. Just imagine bringing your bridal train here. You do your makeup here, you set up here, do everything, and we have your photo shoot before we leave for your wedding. You see that the beautiful staircase outside will also make justice for you and your bridal train, you know. Here's a bathtub, jacuzzi for a bride, Or you can also rent this apartment as well if you are interested in spending a night in town. So you want to rent this place for your wedding day because it's at the center of town and it's accessible to any part of Abuja. Center of town, come on. You really want to be here. So book us for your wedding photography, get this space for free. So what do you think about the space? Content creators, photographers, anybody interested in getting a space like this, send us a message. You can rent the place and have your photo shoots or party meetings. You can do that just here. And I'm going to show you some examples of pictures that I've taken from our studios, indoor and outdoor. Let me know what you think about everything in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm expecting you at our opening.